Hey guys, what's up and welcome to another episode of Tech and Time Lapse. It's your boy Sage Oni, and well, today you guys can see right in front of me, we're going to be talking about earbuds or earphones as some people call them. It's just literally stuff to stick in our ears to enjoy music or talk, phone calls or whatnot, to talk to that loved one, the special person. Obviously just business, you're in the run, you're in traffic, listen to your podcast, listen to whatever you listen to, pretty much tools or devices that we use to listen. And yeah, let's get into the business of today. Welcome to the channel. So yeah, as we mentioned last week, we're going to be having a giveaway every week, probably up until the last week of December, or probably up until my birthday, which is actually the first week of December. So giveaways every week, and this very week the giveaway is going to be a smartwatch. So I'm not sure which smartwatch I'll be giving yet. I'm calling it a fitness band actually, so it's going to be one that reads your heart rate, detects workouts, sleep tracking and all of that. It's going to be one of those that's going to be given away this very week. So stay tuned to this channel, like the channel, of course, like this video, comment in the section below, subscribe, and somebody will be picked at random from the comment section. So please do that. Good luck. And for this week, because the giveaway has been sponsored by Ownit.ng, the giveaway is definitely gonna start in Nigeria. So for this very week, it's just gonna be open to my subscribers from Nigeria. Oh yeah, you know, just subscribers, you understand, those over now within Nigeria. Now if you win, we will start this giveaway this week pretty much. Next week is going to be open to those in America, so definitely those in the United States will be able to win next week on the giveaway. So stay tuned guys. Next week will most likely be an earbud, so I'm actually excited since we're actually reviewing earbuds this week. So without further ado, let's get into the business of today. So right in front of me I've got 5 different brands of earbuds, and it's actually been, I don't want to put it, a little bit challenging for me, especially whenever I want to get earbuds. I've researched well over close to 1,000 earbuds right now, and I'm not joking about that. Like, I've researched so many, and it's like so many copies, so many imitation, price ranges from as low as $15. You won't believe it, $15 for True LS earphones, all the way to, I think about $550 was max I saw. Well, that's actually not the max. If you're actually going to like studio earphones, which I actually saw some of those, there's actually one that's around like $2,500 for wireless studio earphones, but I wouldn't go into that right now. But yeah, it's that expensive. So the price range, there's a huge disparity in that range, and it's like, what's going on? But yeah, so on this channel, pretty much I picked 5 random ones, and probably next week or in 2 weeks we're also going to pick on that the next 5 random ones we're also going to test, and just come down to which ones I would actually recommend out of the random ones I just pick off Amazon. I'll give an in-depth review into the sound quality, that's the mid-range, the bass, which is the low end, and the highs, how good the quality of the sound is, the application and the use in different scenarios. So we're talking about workouts, jogging, in the gym, listening in the house, listening in the car, driving, literally just different scenarios. You're on the train, how well the noise cancellation is, or the noise isolation is, whatever it is, the sound isolation, all of that will be tested, and I'll come up with the final score. I'm going to unbox all of this right now, and then I'll of course do the unboxing officially on their own individual reviews. But I'm going to be, as I said, I'm going to be testing them, and the final review, there'll be an overall points, which is going to be out of 10 to score which ones actually get the best pretty much overall. There's going to be the usability points, which is also like how flexible and how useful are they actually for you in your day-to-day life. That's combining your workout and all of this into consideration. And of course the sound quality. So those are going to be my 3 basic yardstick for comparing them, and then we're going to get the eventual sound quality out of those. So thanks guys for liking this. If you like what you've heard so far, subscribe to now to stay tuned and watch more of this. So thank you so much guys for hitting the subscription button below. I definitely really need your subscription to this channel. That being said, let's get into the unboxing. So unfortunately I don't have my cutting knife for me right now, so I'm just gonna use my sim prying tool. So I'm just gonna move this voice to the side, and I'll start with this. So this is the Lasuney TWS True LS earbud. It is the new version that they just released. So all those companies literally, because there's a lot of competition and new developments, and they're also taking feedbacks from those who are buying them and testing them out. So they're always releasing new models literally as fast as 3 months. Some even go a lot faster to release a new edition of the wireless earbuds that they are selling. So it's just insane how fast these guys are actually truly moving. But that being said, so this comes with the mic in front, voice front, what else? Multi-point padding mic, true wireless headphones, mic, multiple pairing, voice prompt, comfortably fit. I think these are just imitations of the Apple AirPods. That's what I can guess straight up, but I wouldn't judge. So this is what it looks like, and straight out of the bat I can definitely tell, oh, it's a type C. Interesting. So this is a type C. I'm just going to take it out of the way. And yeah, they really do look like AirPod. It's a lot thicker though, but these guys are literally AirPods competitions. Like, they are designed to imitate and look like AirPods. So we'll do the proper testing and review later. I'm just unboxing right now. And the base comes with, of course, a little protection so it doesn't go charging or discharging while in the case. So now once I peel this off, it's officially active and you can start charging it or discharging. The next one on the list is Boltune True LS earbuds 2. This is the model 42Pi, and of all of them, this is actually the highest rated for battery time. It's said to last 42 hours and 6 hours or 7 or 8 hours on a single charge, I believe. Now, I don't really like this packaging, too many user guides, too much of all this. After they've already given you a wireless code you could actually read. Oh, and wow, okay, this is crazy. You've actually got warranty for 30 months on this instead of 12 months. So that is actually insane. Okay, so these guys are actually insane. This is 30 months of warranty. This is the max I've seen on any earbuds in the world. So this is actually really insane right here. Amazon, congratulations, you won a free gift. This the share a review, guys. So just they're gonna give you a gift card. That's nice. Extra air tips, which that didn't, of course you don't need it anyway, so it's not bad. Regular USB type C again. So it looks like all of them are going type C now. And ooh, okay, this looks pretty. Instead of the regular plastic stuff we get, this is, oh, this is fancy. Okay, I actually like. It's also copying the AirPods kind of like design. It's also copying the AirPods kind of like design, but instead of going full AirPods, this guy's got a different form factor to them, which I actually do really like. This would actually really work with my ears rather, because I have really narrow ear canals. So let me test those right now. Actually feels comfortable, and it has a lot of noise isolation to it. So it actually blocks most of the noise in my background right now, so I can't even hear the buzz from my laptop anymore. So yeah, this is really, I think I actually rate this high already from just first trial. And the design is definitely amazing. So we'll keep that aside. And the next one is Geekee. So now it's got the same thing. Thanks for choosing, leave feedback, help improve our products, all that. Now it's got the, so this is the design and packaging we used to have with like all the older earbuds. So I actually bought a lot of this over time. The last couple of years I actually bought a lot of them, both of Amazon and eBay. And yeah, this is packaging I was used to. Like this was like the industry yardstick back in the day. You get like a box with the air tips and the cables and all that, and you have like a little cushion with the wireless earbuds itself, but not True LS anyway. They were the ones with the cables and whatnot. But yeah, this is where we are today. And this one contains, yeah, the cable, and this is a regular micro USB. So these guys are still a generation behind. And I've got 6 ear tips. So this is enough for like pretty much almost anyone from narrow to big. So definitely I would need to switch to the narrow ones. And so yeah, this is where my own life stands. But let's open the board itself. This looks fancy too. And of course it's also protected, so that's like disengage that to try it out, which we'll be doing. So that's the third one. And the big guy. Now this guy's actually the most expensive of the pack, I believe. Yeah, it was the most expensive. So this guy's the most expensive of the pack. And from the design, the name, and all of it, you can tell for a fact that these guys are copying the Powerbeats Pro word for word, like literally design for design. I haven't even opened it, but I know this is definitely the Powerbeats Pro right in front of me. Like it's just so like straightforward. The TBI, the Pro, the shape, I can tell these guys are imitating the Powerbeats Pro. The design looks good though, but there's only one way to tell. And I don't have a Powerbeats Pro, but I might actually be tempted, depending on how good this sounds, to actually go get one and do a head-to-head comparison. Please follow the instructions on the back of the flyer. Oh, so while I was saying the other guys give you 30 months, which is literally 2.5 years of warranty, these guys went the extra mile and are giving you 5 freaking years of warranty. That is insane. What the? Please activate your 5 years warranty replacement within 7 days after receiving your product. And damn, that means if anything goes wrong with this baby right here, for the next 5 years I'm all set. Now this is monstrous. The size of this guy is just monstrous. That's all I can say. And in the case, you've got a USB mini cable. You've got extra air tips, one very large and one small. And then you've got all this controls, description about to charge it, taking it out, the controls, it's touch control, increase volume, decrease, rewind, cancel, reject, pair, and all of that. So yeah, we'll go deeper into this as we try it out. But as I said, this is definitely a copy of the Powerbeats Pro. Can you see? It is straight up a copy of the Powerbeats Pro. Like there's no denying it. This is a Powerbeats Pro copy right here. With the wings, the design, it's just a copy of it. Now, I think the only thing I find really interesting about this right here is the fact that you actually have an LED display that tells you how much battery you've got left. Now this guy has a monstrous case, which definitely tells you it's got a monstrous battery reserve. It's rated to last you for 50 hours. Now that's a lot of time, and of course with such a case, yeah, that's only what you expect. But portability, I definitely rate this for 0 already, because I'm not carrying the shit around. I'm sorry, just for the test, but aside just this test, I don't think this is something I want to be carrying around. It's just too big. But then Powerbeats Pro also has the same flaw, so what can I say? Or similar flaw rather. And last but not the least, on our first 5, so we've got the Beben X8, and let's go. So Beben Fish, it's actually waterproof, but don't swim underwater. That's the first thing I get out of this. It's got all its ratings, pause, play, reject, rewind, and still the same generic design. This is a lot of tips and looks like it's got a carrying leash to attach to this, so you can actually attach it to like a belt or something like a carrier. So this is actually nice. I'll actually give them a pass or an extra point for that. It's a regular micro USB, so I'm not a fan of that anymore, so that's a minus point to them. And the micro USB charger, but this is so many tips, I think I'm going to give them a plus for that too. And that is it with the unboxing. We'll get into the review very soon. So if you want to watch individual reviews, they're all going to be listed as I mentioned each of them in the video. So like whenever I mention like X8, that's going to be the review up there, in-depth review. Whenever I mention the TBI Pro, the in-depth review is going to be up there. So thanks for watching right now. I'll continue this review very soon. Ciao.